So I know you've been wanting to start your online business, but it feels like there aren't enough hours in the day, right? I totally get it. I've been there too. Heck, between work, family, and everything else, it can feel like you're constantly running on a hamster wheel. But here's the thing. You can make it happen. I've done it myself, and I help plenty of others do the same. Today, I want to share with you 5 time hacks that helped me launch my online business while working full time. These aren't just theories or ideas I've read about, they're real strategies that I've used myself and have seen work for others. So grab a cup of coffee or C4, well, maybe not a C4, you'll probably bounce off the walls, but get comfy and let's dive in. We're gonna make time work for you, not against you. But before we jump in, let me ask you something. How many times have you told yourself, I'll start my business when I have more time? If you're nodding your head, this video is definitely for you. Because here's the truth. There will never be a perfect time. The key is learning how to make the time you have work for you. So grab a notebook and pen or open up your favorite note-taking app. My favorite is Notion because you're about to learn how to reclaim hours in your week that you didn't even know you had. These hacks will help you fast-track your online business journey, even with a full-time job. And stick around to the end because I got something special to share that will supercharge your content creation process and help you stay organized like never before. All right, enough of that. It's time to turbocharge your productivity and launch your online business into hyperdrive. Let's do this. The first and most crucial hack is prioritizing your time. When everything feels important, let's face it, nothing truly is. You need to focus on tasks that will actually move the needle in your business, and here's how to do it effectively. Number 1, weekly priority setting. Every Sunday night, sit down and write out your top 3 priorities for the week. This isn't just a to-do list, these are the key tasks that will drive your business forward. Number 2, be specific and actionable. These priorities should be specific and actionable tasks. For example, instead of work on my website, your priority might be set up my Systemi.io sales funnel or create and schedule 5 YouTube short videos promoting my new digital product. Number 3, time blocking. Once you've identified these priorities, block out time for them in your calendar. I mean, actually schedule them like you would an important meeting or doctor's appointment. Number 4, protect your time. Treat these blocks as non-negotiable. When that time comes, close your email, put your phone on Do Not Disturb, and focus solely on the task at hand. I use the Notion app on my iPhone for this, but feel free to use the Reminders app in your phone or Google Calendar. The key here is consistency. Even if you can only dedicate 30 minutes a day to your business, that's 3.5 hours a week. Over a month, that's 14 hours of focused work on your business. Let me give you a real life example. When I first started my YouTube channel, I was working 50+ hour weeks at my day job. I decided to prioritize content creation and set a goal to publish at least 1 video per week. I blocked out 2 hours every Tuesday and Thursday evening for filming and editing. Editing sucked, to be honest. It wasn't easy and there were times I wanted to stop, but I stuck to it. After 3 months, my channel started to gain traction and those consistent efforts paid off. The more reps you put into something, you will definitely see a transformation. Trust me. Remember, it's not about finding large chunks of time. It's about making the most of the time you have. You have to be ruthless with your priorities. Ask yourself, is this task going to directly contribute to my business growth? If the answer is no, it doesn't make the cut for your top priorities. Imagine what you could achieve if you focused on your true priorities for just a few hours each week. That's how businesses are built, one focused block of time at a time. Moving on to time hack number 2. If you have a commute every day, congratulations, you're sitting on a gold mine of productivity. Instead of bumping tunes throughout your commute and overstimulating yourself, use this time to work on your business. This hack is all about turning dead time into productive time. Here are some ways to maximize your commute. Number 1, educational content. Listen to business and marketing podcasts. My favorites are Money Wise podcast with Sam Parr and the Tim Ferriss Show. These are like mini masterclasses you can absorb while you're on the go. Number 2, ideation and planning. Use voice notes to brainstorm content ideas or outline your next video script. I've come up with some of my best video ideas while stuck in traffic. Number 3, skill development. If you're on public transport, bring a tablet and use apps like Skillshare or LinkedIn learning to take courses related to your business niche. Number 4, network building. Use this time to engage with your audience on social media. Respond to comments, participate in relevant groups, or reach out to potential collaborators. Number 5, content creation. If you're not driving, use apps like Canva or Glorify to design social media graphics or outline blog posts in Google Docs. Let me share a personal story. When I started my business, I had an hour commute by car to and from work. Instead of bumping music, I decided to use this time productively. I'd either listen to a marketing podcast, YouTube videos, or a course I had invested in educating myself on my way to work, which helped me learn about digital marketing, affiliate marketing, email marketing, you name it. On my way back, I had an idea what I wanted to work on, whether it was a sales funnel, landing page, or a video I wanted to create. Within a month, I had not only learned a new skill, but also implemented it. Setting up my first email funnel that started generating leads while I slept, all from using my commute time effectively. Remember, small pockets of time add up. A 30-minute commute each way gives you an hour a day. That's 5 hours a week you can reclaim for your business. Think about it. In those 5 hours, you can outline a month's worth of content, learn a new marketing strategy, or even create a mini product to sell. The key here is to plan ahead. Before you go to bed, decide what you'll work on during your commute the next day. Have your podcast downloaded, YouTube with your favorite content creators teaching that thing you want to learn, your apps ready, or your notebook handy. Turn your commute from a daily grind into a daily opportunity to grow your business. Now, let's get into time hack number 3. This hack might be challenging at first, but trust me, it's a game changer. By waking up earlier or staying up an hour later, you create uninterrupted time for your business. This is about creating a power hour for your most important work. Here's how to make it work. Number 1, start small. Don't try to suddenly wake up at 5 a.m. if you're used to waking up at 8. Start by waking up just 15 minutes earlier tomorrow. Use this time for something specific like outlining a blog post, YouTube video, or planning your next social media content for the week. Number 2, gradually increase. Each week, try to wake up 15 minutes earlier until you carved out a full hour. The same goes if you're a night owl. Stay up a little later each night until you created your power hour. Number 3, create a ritual. Associate this time with something you enjoy. Maybe it's a special cup of coffee or watching your favorite show. This helps train your brain to look forward to this time. Number 4, use it for high impact tasks. This distraction-free time is perfect for tasks that require deep focus like content creation, strategy planning, or learning new skills. Number 5, protect this time. Make it clear to family or roommates that this is your business time and you shouldn't be disturbed unless it's an emergency. When I first tried this, I'll be honest, it was tough, especially having a kid. So if you have kids, trust me, I get it. You see, I'm naturally a morning person. I started with waking up an hour before my normal time of getting up each day. I use this time to research or outline a video I wanted to create. But for you, I recommend 15 to 30 minutes before your normal time of getting up. You can work on a paragraph for a blog post during that time. But you know what? Those paragraphs will add up. By the end of the month, you can have like 4 blog posts written, all from waking up a little earlier to contribute to your business. For me, waking up early is when I do my most creative and impactful work. In fact, I outlined this entire video script during my morning power hours over the course of a week. When I started doing this consistently, I gained an extra 5 hours a week for my business. That's 20 hours a month. Think about the progress you can make with that extra time. That's enough time to create multiple pieces of content, set up an entire sales funnel, or even create a new digital product. Here's a pro tip. Use this quiet time for tasks that align with your peak energy levels. If you're more creative in the mornings, use this time for content creation. If you're more sharper at night, maybe this is when you work on your business strategy or analyze your metrics. Remember, the goal isn't to sleep less. If you're waking up early, make sure you're also going to bed earlier. This is about creating focus, uninterrupted time for your business, not burning yourself out. All right, let's tackle hack number 4. Working smarter, not harder, is the key to growing your business while working full time. Automation and outsourcing are your secret weapons here. This hack is all about freeing up your time by letting technology work for you and delegating tasks that don't need your personal touch. Let's break this thing down right quick. Number one, identify repetitive tasks. Start by listing out all the repetitive tasks in your business. This could be posting on social media, sending follow-up emails, or even customer onboarding. Number two, automate what you can. Use tools like systemi.io to automate your email marketing and sales funnels. Set up automated welcome sequences, abandoned cart emails, and regular newsletters. Tools like Vista Social, all-in-one social media management platform, can automate your social media posting. By the way, recommended links will be in the description. Number three, leverage templates. Use Canva templates to create professional graphics quickly. You can also create templates for your YouTube thumbnails, blog post outlines, or client proposals. This saves time and ensures consistency. Number four, outsource strategically. For tasks that you can't automate, consider outsourcing if you have the budget for it. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork are great for finding freelancers. You can outsource things like video editing, podcast transcription, or even customer service, and much more. Number five, use AI tools. Leverage AI writing assistants for first drafts of your content or for generating ideas. Tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, or Claude AI can be a great starting point, though you always want to review and personalize the output. Let me share how this transformed my business. I used to spend hours each week on tasks like scheduling social media posts, sending follow-up emails, and creating graphics. It was eating into time I could have spent creating content or developing new products. So I decided to automate and outsource. I set up an email sequence in systemi.io that automatically nurtures new subscribers and promotes my products. This alone saved me somewhere about 3 hours a week. I also hired a virtual assistant to handle my social media scheduling and customer inquiries. Yes, it was an investment, but it freed up about 10 hours of my time each week. With all this extra time, I was able to double my content output and create new digital products. The return on investment was amazing. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I don't have the budget to outsource. Start small. Even automating one task can make a big difference. Maybe you use a tool like Zapier to automatically share your new blog posts to LinkedIn as soon as they go live. Or you use Canva templates to speed up your graphic design process. Every minute saved adds up. Remember, your time is your most valuable asset. By automating and outsourcing, you're essentially buying back your time to focus on the tasks that truly move the needle in your business. All right, now our final hack is batching similar tasks. This means grouping similar activities and doing them all at once instead of spreading them out. It's a simple concept, but it can dramatically increase your productivity. Here's how to implement batching. Number one, identify tasks to batch. Common tasks to batch include content creation, email management, social media engagement, and administrative work. Number two, dedicate specific time blocks. Assign certain days or time blocks to similar tasks. For example, content creation Sundays or admin Fridays. Number three, prepare in advance. Before your batching session, make sure you have everything you need. For a content creation session, this might mean having your outlines ready, your equipment set up, and notifications turned off. Number four, use the right tools. Leverage tools like the Hustle's Content Planner to organize your batching sessions efficiently. This Notion template is designed specifically for content creators to streamline their workflow. Number five, stay focused. During your batching session, avoid the temptation to switch over to other tasks. If you're batching video recording, for instance, record all your videos before moving on to editing. Batching has been a game changer for me, especially when it comes to content creation. Let me walk you through how I use it, not when I first started creating. Every Sunday, I have a 3-hour content creation power session. Here's what it looks like. First 30 minutes, I outline 2 to 3 video scripts using the Hustle's Content Planner. Next hour, I record the videos in one go. My camera is set up, lighting is ready, and I just change shirts in between videos. Final 90 minutes, I edit what I can, create thumbnails, and write descriptions. By the end of this session, I have content ready to go. When I first started, it would take me a whole week to produce one video. Now I do it all in one focused session. The benefits of batching are huge. First, it saves time. You're not constantly setting up and tearing down equipment or getting in and out of creation mode. Second, it improves quality. When you're in the flow of creating, your ideas build on each other and you often produce better work. And don't worry, start small during your content creation power session. Do what you can. I'm just sharing how I attack my power session and what works for me. But to be clear, it's not always smooth sailing. I recently just got back to creating content. I was burnt out. I took like a 6 or 7 month break. My channel had no direction whatsoever. Although I touched on topics that brought in subscribers and got me some views, but the algorithm was definitely not on my side. Now I have a clear focus on who I want to target, and that is you watching this video. My focus now is lasered on creating content for people like you who are working a full-time job and someone like my past self. Truth be told, I know the struggle is real. Sorry for going off the cuff, which I have a tendency to do, but I just wanted to share that with you. But batching isn't just for content creation. You can batch any repetitive task. Batch your email responses twice a day instead of constantly checking your inbox. Batch your social media engagement to a specific time each day. Batch your client calls to certain days of the week. The key is to find what works for you. Experiment with different batching schedules until you find your groove. And remember, it might feel uncomfortable at first. You might worry about not being always on, but trust me, this focused approach will make you more productive and less stressed in the long run. And just like that, there you have it. 5 powerful hacks to help you launch and grow your online business while working full-time. Now, let's do a quick recap. Number 1 is going to be to prioritize your time. Focus on what truly matters for your business growth. Number 2, maximize your commute. Turn your dead time into productive time. Number 3, leverage early mornings or late nights. Create a power hour for focused work. And number 4, automate and outsource. Let technology and others handle tasks so you can focus on growth. Number 5, batch similar tasks. Group-like activities for maximum efficiency. Implementing even one of these hacks can dramatically change your productivity and business growth. But imagine what could happen if you implemented all 5. Now, I know I promised you something special, and I am sure you heard me mention it a little bit ago when I was talking about the content creation power session. But here it is. If you're serious about taking your content creation and online business to the next level, check out my Hustles Content Planner. It's a game-changing Notion template that helps you organize your ideas, script your videos, stay consistent, and streamline your entire content creation process along with your business. The cool thing is you can access it through your phone, so if you have an idea while on the go, open the Notion app, jot it down, and you're good to go. And of course, you can use it on your iPad, tablet, or computer. Link to the planner will be in the description. Now you're probably asking, hey Mel, I want to learn how to create a sales funnel in Systemi.io for digital products, and that is why your next step should be to watch this video here so you can learn just that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in that video.